Planning your Australia holiday from India? Here's everything you need to know in one video. What to expect? Sun-kissed beaches, buzzing cities, pink lakes, wild outback, lush rainforests, coral reefs, and cuddly koalas. Australia is like several countries rolled into one. The smallest continent and largest island, it is a land where 80% of the wildlife exists nowhere else on Earth. Did you know Australia is home to more than 10,000 beaches? Is this your kind of escape? If you love the outdoors, hike mountains, dive reefs, or camp under the stars. Food lovers explore Melbourne's laneways and Sydney's waterfront dining to satisfy your cravings. Kangaroos hopping around and penguins marching home will delight the hearts of wildlife admirers. Thrill seekers surf the Gold Coast waves or take a helicopter ride over the 12 Apostles. If you wish to unwind, sail on Sydney Harbour or sip wine in Barossa Valley's rolling vineyards. Australia is a dreamland for sports lovers. From cheering at a cricket test match to feeling the adrenaline of Formula One, at the Australian Grand Prix, the action never stops. Catch a game of Aussie rules football, watch rugby union clashes, or dive into tennis at the Australian Open. Best places you can't miss. 1. Sydney, known for its sparkling harbour, water sports, golden beaches, and the iconic Opera House shining by the water. Must visits here. 1. Sydney Opera House, to tour inside or just admire it from the steps. 2. Bondi Beach, to swim, surf, or relax at the beachside cafes. 3. Darling Harbour for riverside dining, museums, and a scenic waterfront walk. 4. Taronga Zoo, to spot koalas and kangaroos with Sydney's skyline behind you. And 5. Sydney Harbour Cruise. Don't miss this. You can do it two ways. First, take the regular cruise for an easy, breezy ride and a perfect sunset. Or hop on the showboat dinner cruise for dinner, live cabaret, and sparkling night views. Other top attractions to explore in Sydney are Sea Life Sydney Aquarium, Wildlife Sydney Zoo, and Madame Tussauds. Voyeur Pro Tip: get the combo pass to cover all three. 2. Melbourne. Street art, vibrant cafes, sports fever, and art festivals all come together in a relaxed, easygoing vibe. Laneways are alive with quirky shops and hidden cafes. Must visits here. 1. Federation Square, for events, galleries, and cafe vibes in the city heart. 2. Royal Botanical Gardens, to stroll green trails. 3. Fitzroy Gardens, for peaceful walks and seasonal blooms. 4. Melbourne Cricket Ground, where sporting legends are made. 5. Melbourne Park, where the National Tennis Centre hosts the Australian Open and world-class tennis. 6. Yarra Valley, a 2 to 3 hour drive from Melbourne, for wine tasting and local cheeses. And 7. Don't miss the Great Ocean Road, a 240-kilometer coastal drive packed with highlights. Stop at the Easterview Memorial, snap photos at lookout points such as Mount Defiance, spot kangaroos and koalas, enjoy lunch in coastal towns, explore rainforests along the way, and see the legendary 12 Apostles. To view the scene from the top, experience a helicopter ride over it. 3. Gold Coast, renowned for its golden beaches, theme parks, and buzzing nightlife. Don't miss the wholesome sunset cruise along the waterways. Must visits here. 1. Surfers Paradise, for beaches, high-rise views, shops, cafes, and nightclubs. 2. Warner Bros. Movie World, for roller coasters and movie magic. 3. Sea World, to enjoy marine life, fun rides, and shows that the whole family will love. 4. Dream World, for thrills. Your kids will especially love it. And 5. A day trip to Byron Bay to explore the Cape Byron Lighthouse, spot dolphins or whales, and enjoy the relaxed cafe culture. 4. Cairns, gateway to the world's largest coral reef system with tropical vibes, lush rainforests, and adventure literally at every turn. Must visits here. 1. Great Barrier Reef to snorkel, dive or cruise across this natural wonder. Explore Moor Reef or Green Island, and don't miss the glass bottom boat or semi-submersible rides for an unforgettable view of the coral world. 2. Daintree Rainforest to wander Mossman Gorge, explore Cape Tribulation, cruise the Daintree River, and climb the canopy towers at the Daintree Discovery Center. 3. Palm Cove for swaying palms, soft sands and calm waters. And 4. Kuranda Rainforest to glide over ancient canopies on the Skyrail cableway, ride the scenic railway and explore the colorful Kuranda markets. 5. Canberra, a city of culture, creativity and calm landscapes. Here, art, wildlife and wine come together beautifully. Must visits here. 1. Hot air balloon ride to float above the capital at sunrise for city and lake views. 2. National Zoo and Aquarium to watch kangaroos, giraffes and cheetahs. 3. Cockington Green Gardens to stroll through charming miniature villages and gardens. 4. Private winery tour with Van Deuven to sip world-class wines in the cool climate vineyards. And 5. Tidbinbilla Nature Reserve to spot kangaroos, koalas and emus. Hidden gems you can brag about. 1. Barossa Valley, South Australia's wine country, where world-famous Shiraz meets vineyard picnics. 2. Rottnest Island, meet the world's happiest animal, the quokka, and cycle around pristine beaches. 3. Tasmania, rugged wilderness, fresh seafood, and the artsy Mona Museum. 4. Brisbane, enjoy riverside strolls, chic cafes, and a relaxed vibe. 5. Apollo Bay, a coastal drive stop with sweeping ocean views and a laid-back village feel. 6. Port Campbell, gateway to the 12 Apostles and other coastal rock formations. And 7. Brighton, capture endless photos of the colorful Brighton bathing boxes lining the beach. Bucket list stops. Don't miss these icons. 1. Uluru. 2. Wentworth Falls. 3. Lura and Lura Cascades. 4. King's Tableland. And 5. Melbourne Town Hall. Quick stops you'll love. 1. Hunter Valley. Just a short drive from Sydney, this wine region offers tasting tours, vineyard walks, and relaxing picnics among the vines. 2. Kangaroo Island, home to kangaroos, koalas, and sea lions. 3. Fraser Island, the world's largest sand island, with crystal clear lakes and dunes. Swimming in Lake Mackenzie feels like stepping into a dream. 4. Great Otway region. Lush rainforests, waterfalls, and scenic coastal drives will charm you effortlessly. 5. Loch Ard Gorge. See the ruin of a shipwreck here. 6. Island Arc. Rock formations rising from pristine turquoise waters. Ideal for photography and short coastal walks. 7. Moonlit Sanctuary Wildlife Conservation Park. Watch the native Australian animals up close and hands-on. Holding a koala or feeding kangaroos is an experience you'll never forget. 8. Whitsunday Islands. Start from Airlie Beach. Sail on a scenic cruise. Explore pristine beaches, including Whitehaven Beach and Hook Island. Snorkel the central Great Barrier Reef. And visit Hamilton Island for luxurious indulgences. 9. Northern Territory, Australian Amazon. Explore Kakadu National Park with Gunlom Falls, natural water pools, and ancient Aboriginal rock art. Cruise through Nitmiluk's Catherine Gorge at sunset, spotting kangaroos and wildlife. The best time to visit this is from June to August. 10. Australian Alps, a winter wonderland where snow covers the peaks in pristine white. These mountains receive more snowfall each year than Switzerland, making them a dream playground for skiers, snowboarders, and anyone chasing alpine magic. And 11. Blue Mountains, a UNESCO World Heritage Treasure. Start with the Three Sisters for an iconic view, then enjoy the scenic railway, skyway, cableway rides, and sky-high walkways. Stop at Featherdale Wildlife Park to to meet kangaroos, koalas, and wombats, and end with a peaceful walk through the eucalyptus forest. Voya Pro Tip: if you love mystery, then do visit Lake Mungo. It's an ancient, dried-up lake in the heart of the outback. Walk among wind-sculpted sand dunes, picnic here, spot wildlife, and feel the echoes of a land that's been alive for tens of thousands of years. For more such travel tips, follow our Instagram page. Photo-worthy corners. 1. Mrs. Macquarie's Chair. 2. Sydney Tower Eye. 3. Shrine of Remembrance. 4. St. Patrick's Cathedral. 5. Sky Point Observation Deck. 6. Echo Point. Once-in-a-lifetime experiences. 1. Climbing the Sydney Harbour Bridge. 2. Diving with turtles on the reef. 3. Watching the penguin parade at Phillip Island. 4. Hop on a tram to enjoy Melbourne's sights. Taste and indulge. Local delights. Lamingtons, Tim Tams, and flat white. Vegetarian? Australia's multicultural food culture makes life easy. Melbourne, Sydney, and Brisbane are packed with vegetarian-friendly cafes and Indian restaurants. In Sydney, areas like Harris Park are famous for Indian cuisine, including jalebi. Quick bites, veggie burgers, salads, and falafel wraps are everywhere. And for the outskirts, it's best to carry packed food. Shopping and souvenirs. Opals, Ugg boots, Aboriginal art and crafts, Aussie wines from Barossa, koala and kangaroo plushies, direct factory outlets or DFAs for top brands at great discounts. Travel like a pro. Best time to visit? Summer, December to February for beaches and outdoor fun. Winter, June to August for the outback, ski slopes and whale watching. Spring, September to November, and autumn, March to May for pleasant weather and fewer crowds. Also, Australia sits in the southern hemisphere while India is in the northern hemisphere. That is when it's winter here, it's summer there, and vice versa. So, plan your holiday accordingly. How many days do you need? Australia is huge, with 6 states and multiple territories, each with its own unique charm. So, plan your holiday based on your interests. 9 to 11 days for the key highlights, 20 plus days for a deeper, immersive experience. And to truly see it all, you'd need multiple trips or maybe even a permanent settlement. How do you get around? Domestic flights for long distances and trains, trams or buses for shorter ones. Within cities, you can use Uber, 13 cabs. Trains and trams are the more budget-friendly option. Rental cars are also popular, as self-driving is a great way to explore. For smooth, comfortable rides, private transfers, like Voya provides, are ideal. Voya Pro Tip: for a vast country like Australia, it's best to fly into one city and depart from another to save time and cover more highlights. What to pack? Sunscreen, hats, light clothes, a jumper for cool evenings, and swimwear. Voya Pro Tip: Australia has biosecurity checks to protect its unique flora and fauna. On your incoming passenger card, declare any food, plants, or medicines you're carrying, as everything is carefully checked. Pocket-friendly hacks. Grab meal deals at supermarkets like Coles and Woolworths. Cards are widely accepted, and ATMs are available for quick cash withdrawals. Still unsure? Chat with your Voya holiday manager to get a personalized itinerary for Australia, or visit the Create Your Itinerary section on the Voya website to craft your holiday in just a few clicks. If you found our content informative, do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay tuned.